Welcome to Eterna Motorworks' first official YouTube video. You guys are always asking us, when are you guys gonna post on YouTube? Have you guys posted yet? When can we expect to see long form content from you guys? Well, I'm excited to announce that we are officially here on YouTube now, and we cannot wait to share all the insane content and all the crazy builds that we have lined up coming very, very soon. But as you guys can see behind me, we have this package from Lonnie Studios. They recently sent us one of their newest products that I cannot wait to share with you guys. And I'm assuming you probably clicked on this video based on the title or the thumbnail. You guys are just gonna have to stay tuned. So before we move on and open the box behind me, and I'm sorry to tease you guys, I just wanna note one thing. It's no secret that when the G8X platform came out, many of us were not fond of the front bumper, especially those grills. I think a lot of us missed the old grills, which was on the FAX platform. That is the last platform BMW designed their traditional style grills. You know, since then, there's been many companies who have launched bumpers and did things to try to fix the existing bumper, or they just created a whole new bumper. But honestly, I don't think there's anything that truly came into the market that really hit that sweet spot for us. But honestly, now, Lonnie Studios came out with something pretty special, and I think they hit it over the head, 10 out of 10. And I think this is the perfect product for the G8X. This bumper is for those who are not looking to go extremely exaggerated. This is for those who want to complement their existing build and pay homage to the traditional grill setup. So guys, I think there's only one thing to do now, is open these boxes, see exactly what's in here, and I'm excited. I cannot wait to show you guys. Let's get to it. So guys, we finally unboxed the bumpers, and as you can see, they are right behind me. I just want to give you guys my initial thoughts. I gotta say, wow. Right out of the box, I was completely blown away from the quality, the finish. I know the fit is gonna be good based upon how all the mounting points are. Guys, if you guys are looking for the best alternative opposed to the stock bumper, this is definitely for you. So in regards to the bumper configurations, we have two of them behind us. As you can see, this is the highest price point, which is a full dry carbon fiber finish. And then we have the lowest price point, which is a fiberglass plus wet carbon fiber. Regardless of what options you go with, you're definitely not making a bad decision. But if it were up to me and I was putting this on my G82 or G80 M3, this one would probably be the one I would go with. Also, one of our head media guys is currently on his way here, and he's been asking me, Anthony, when are these bumpers gonna come in? Because I cannot wait to see them. Little does he know, they're actually here. So once he comes in, we're gonna get his true raw reaction to the bumpers. He's gonna let us know what he thinks. Again, let me tell you guys, my media guy is a little picky, so he's either gonna tell me straight up point blank that they don't look good or they look good. But honestly, given how they look in person, he's gonna love them. So when he comes in, we'll determine that. Yo, guess what? The bumpers came.
No way. Shut up.
Look at them, bro. They're crazy. Look at them. I want to get your real, honest reaction right now.
Oh my god, no way.
Come look at them. What do you think about them? So guys, Calvin is our media guy here. He was a little apprehensive based off the renders, but now seeing them in person, bro, what do you think?
I'm gonna be honest, I wasn't a big fan of them, but, however, I think they look way better in person.
Right?
The lip comes with it.
Yeah, so it's a full bumper and a lip. The bumpers came pre-installed with the lip.
Oh, this carbon one is so big, dude. Oh my god.
I know. So nice.
I wasn't a fan of them, but they're growing on me. It
right?
looks way better in person. And I told you, and I think in person they look way different.
Yes.
When you see a product online, it might look one way, but this is way better. Holy shit.
I cannot wait to see it on the car. I think it's gonna look so aggressive. The white one looks nice too, huh?
Oh, it's got carbon grill too.
Carbon grills, carbon lip. This is just full carbon. These are
this
like
is just so aggressive. Oh my god.
So nice.
So way better in person.
Right? 10 times better. That's what I was thinking. We're a little apprehensive here, guys, seeing the renders online, but
from the renders online, I was like, I wouldn't buy it. But seeing this in person, I'm like, I kind of want that on my car. I don't have a G series, but if I had a G series, I'd want this one.
So there you guys have it. Looks so good.
So good.
So that's gonna wrap it up for today's video, guys. Let us know what you think about the new Lonnie Studios front bumper. Did they finally fix the G8X M3 and M4? Comment down below. Like we said at the beginning of this video, we have a lot of content on the way. If you follow us on our other social media platforms, you would have noticed that we've recently launched some teasers of some new projects coming very soon. Let's just say they are officially on the works and you guys will see more of that. Make sure to subscribe and we'll catch you guys on the next one.